In the heart of Saudi Arabia lies a city where tradition meets innovation. Welcome to Riyadh, a vibrant capital, rich in heritage and alive with vision. This December, Riyadh becomes the global hub for orthodontics, the 19th annual conference of the Saudi Orthodontic Society. Smart Smiles, integrating AI and digital innovation in orthodontics. Experience Riyadh, a city of discovery. From its striking modern skyline to its cultural treasures, from world-class hospitality to unforgettable experiences. Riyadh welcomes the world. 2 days of knowledge, networking, and innovation. Global speakers, digital breakthroughs, cutting-edge orthodontics. Together shaping the future of smart smiles. Hosted at the Crown Plaza Riyadh RDC Hotel and Convention Center, a premier venue designed for excellence. Mark your calendars. December 11th to 12th, 2025. Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Be part of the future. Be part of Smart Smiles.